Hello Hollywood stars, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. Also excuse the noise because the laundry is going back there. But basically this video is going to be an organization cleaning video of the laundry room in my parents' home. So one of the things that I love doing is organizing, so I figured why not tackle this. So I'm going to show you guys the before and then the after and then kind of take you guys along. So if you want to keep seeing this transformation, then just keep watching, and as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's slow Hollywood time. Okay, so I'm just taking you guys through the back door. This is our little porch area, and the back door leads right into the laundry room. So this is what it looks like. So there's a lot of stuff that needs to be reorganized. It does have some cabinets too, which is good. But I feel like everything just needs to be reorganized. And just decluttered and just cleaned up and stuff. I'll show you another view of this. So I think the first step is to actually take everything out of the laundry room. That way we can have a clean canvas to work with. So that's what we're going to do first. And as you can tell right now, it is 11:18 and we'll be back. So yeah, as you guys saw, it's 11:18 a.m. So we're going to clear everything out, and I'll come back when everything's clear and show you a little overview of how it's looking. Okay, so here's the progress. We basically cleared out the space, and now I'm going to go ahead and just clear out the cabinets here and put everything in this box, and then we will organize it later. And take that stuff from here down. And here's another overview. We basically took everything out over there, but it's clear. Okay, we are making progress here. I went ahead and I cleared these out, and I also cleaned them, and I also wiped down the cabinets so they're super shiny now. There's nothing in there. And then now I just wiped down all of the door, and oh my god, it looks so good. So I have this rag here, and I'm basically just cleaning the door, and I'm also going to try to clean some of these baseboards. So that's the progress so far. Okay guys, so I am sweating because it's been so freaking like so much work. So we're making progress. So let me just show you guys what we've been doing, and then I also have like this little like cube thing organizer that I'll show you that I got on Amazon. Okay, so we did our best with the door. The door looks pretty good actually, and then we did try to also kind of clean the baseboard a little bit. And then this is the unit that I'm telling you guys about. It's super easy to build, and this was on Amazon. I think it was maybe like $28 or $38 for this, but I'll definitely put a picture somewhere up here of the actual product on Amazon, and I'll link it down below. And then I actually also ordered some boxes to go in here, but those haven't came in yet. But this is what it's looking like. I feel like it looks so much more spacious. So now to organize that in here. Alright, so this is what the outcome came out. This is not the final one because we're still waiting for the boxes, so you won't be able to see all this little clutter here, but everything is organized as far as categories. So this cube is going to be all stuff to clean cars, other stuff to clean but like for the house, some shoe polish, bags, and then a bunch of tools. And then here we just got a bucket. This we already had, and we just added all the brooms and all of the mops in here. So now it looks pretty darn clean. We're actually thinking of maybe ordering a couple more of these so they can be a little bit higher. And now we have more storage. Here it is. We're still waiting for a couple things, so I'll keep you guys updated. So far, so good. So this is a couple days later from the clips you guys saw, but I did receive the other two things we were waiting for. So this is the laundry bag, and then these are the boxes, storage organizers, and they're both gray, that way they can kind of match. So we're going to be placing these in here so it doesn't look so messy. And then that's pretty much going to be the finishing touches on this laundry room. So I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. These are actually pretty easy to build. So this is how they come. And then you literally just unfold them. And then they come with these little guys. So you just place one of these in the bottom of it. So it can be supported. And there you go. Alright, this is the big reveal. So we have the laundry basket, and then this little box right here just has some of my, or not mine, but some of my dad's shoes there, where he comes home and changes his shoes. So that's the laundry basket. I'll link it down below, Amazon, and also I'll link these below. There were a pack of 8. So here you can see we did clean out the laundry. So we basically just kind of tidied up the clothes I was on here. These my mom still has to get around to them, but everything looks pretty neat now. We just kind of washed these two, just kind of toweled them down. And we did hang up this painting with mirrors. It's actually super, super cute. And I feel like it looks really good in here. Hello. So this is what it looks like. This door leads outside, and then this door leads to the kitchen. So basically when you open it up, that's how it looks. Very clean. And then let me show you guys this side, which is the most improved section. So here are the boxes. They look so good, and everything is very organized. This bag, we still have to get another bin for recycling, but that's just recycling. This is just my brother's shoes. And then here we have our laundry detergent because we need that, you know, right away. And then this bucket we put all of our brooms and mops. Not sure why we have so many, but we're working on that. Back there, as you can see, is my brother's fishing gear. And then this is kind of how it looks like. So I'll show you guys what's in here. So up here, I decided to put all of the cleaning products. I love how it has these handles too. So I have like Clorox and just like shower cleaner. So basically all the cleaners are up here, easy access. This one down here, we have just random paper bags and our directory. And then this is all car stuff. So this is all stuff to clean the car. Some coolant for the car, but basically everything for cars. This one down here basically has a bunch of tools. I also put these windshield like wiper things in here, but basically in here I have a bunch of safety glasses, some rope, some tape. I also have a bunch of like nails in here, and everything is put in individual baggies, that way it's very organized and you can easily access it. So you can see all of the things here. And here is the glue. So basically this is all tools. So this one right here is basically all shoe cleaner and also insect like, I don't know, killer, I guess. So yeah, that's what's in here. And then down below we have some paint, and then that bag contains all of my brother's fishing gear. And then here I have a bunch of other actual tools like hammers, screwdrivers, paint brushes, stuff like that. So I'll show you one more time how these came out. So we also wiped these down because they were a little dusty. So in here we have all of our bags, trash bags, a lot of little towels that you can use for whatever, other towels. And then this other one we have all of our laundry stuff. Hopefully, I feel like this one could use another little shelf here on top, but we'll probably do that later. And then one last thing we did was we put our little oops, don't mind that, our little ladder here, and then here we put up this little door hanger so that we have towels there and our little ironing board. Alright you guys, so that concludes this video. I really hope you enjoyed this type of video, like more organization and more just like room makeovers, but mainly organizing. So if you want to see more videos like this one, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that bell so you don't miss a single video, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of content you want to see. And yeah, that's pretty much it you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.